My dear students, in this session, we will discuss understanding difficult biology words. One of the keys to being successful in biology is being able to understand the terminology. Difficult biology words and terms can be made easy to understand by becoming familiar with common prefixes and suffixes used in biology. These affixes derived from Latin and Greek roots from the basis for many difficult biology words. Below is a list of a few biology words and terms that many biology students find difficult to understand. By breaking these words down into discrete units, even the most complex terms can be understood. For example, autotroph. This word can be separated as follows. Autotroph. Auto means self, troph means nourish. So autotrophs are organisms capable of self-nourishment. Cytokinesis. This word can be separated as follows. Cytokinesis. Cyto means a cell, kinesis means movement. So cytokinesis refers to the movement of the cytoplasm that produces distinct daughter cells during cell division. Eukaryote. Eukaryote. Eu means true. Karyo means nucleus. A eukaryote is an organism whose cells contain a true membrane-bound nucleus. Heterozygous. Heterozygous. Hetero means different. Zig means yolk or union. Aus means characterized by or full of. So heterozygous refers to a union characterized by the joining of two different alleles for a given trait. Hydrophilic. This word can be separated as follows. Hydrophilic. Hydro means water, philic means attraction. So hydrophilic means attraction towards water. Oligosaccharide. This word can be separated as follows. Oligosaccharide. Oligo means few, saccharide means sugar. An oligosaccharide is a carbohydrate that contains a small number of component sugar. Osteoblast. This word can be separated as follows. Osteoblast. Osteo means bone, blast means bud or germ, early form of an organism. An osteoblast is a cell from which bone is derived. Tegmentum. This word can be separated as follows. Tegmentum. Teg means cover, ment means mind or brain. So tegmentation is the bundle of fibers that cover the brain. Likewise, my dear students, you can also collect some more words and try to pronounce them by making them discrete units. Thank you.